Alright guys, welcome to our video. Today we were going to make fruit salad. Me as explainer and my friend here.
My name is
Mama Sukaliko.
My name is Abiyaki Pomona. My name is Lucino Magia. My name is Lias Kamipesi.
And my name is Nabil Barun.
Okay guys, so before we make fruit salad, I have to explain the ingredients, house ingredients, and how to make it. Okay guys, hello. So today we were going to make fruit salad. Before I explain how to make it, I have to explain the ingredients, the house ingredients, and then how to make it. Okay guys, first the ingredients, use 3 fluids. First we have apple, then we have lemon, and the last one we have bread. Okay guys, right, we move to the next step is the house ingredients. We have here and yogurt, mayonnaise, cheese, and condensed milk, and then the last one honey. Okay guys, the next step is I have to explain how to make it, or the method to make the fruit salad. Okay guys, here I'm going to explain how to make it, or the method to make a fruit salad. So here's the quick.
Fruit salad. Apple, orange, bread, yogurt, mayonnaise, cheese.
Okay guys, after we fill all the fruits, we are going to mix the we are going to move the next step. We are going to cut the fruit into small cubes.
Yeah.
Okay guys, after we cut and fill the fruit, we are going to the next step. We are going to mix the sauce ingredients to the bowl. Okay guys, so all the sauce ingredients already mixed. We're going to move to the next step. All the fruit. After we mix all the things on the plate, we will put the garlic and the sprinkle. We cheese, honey, and the last one, vegetable. Okay guys, so this is the result of the process of salad making. We from accounting, we group 1 want to say thank you very much.